Welcome to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of underwater photography, looking for the perfect underwater camera to capture those mesmerizing moments beneath the waves. You're in the right place. From crystal clear image quality to durable waterproof designs, we've got you covered. Join us as we explore and review the best underwater cameras on the market. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. DJI Osmo Action 3 Standard Waterproof Action Camera. If you're in the market for a more budget-friendly alternative to the GoPro Hero 11 action camera, the DJI Osmo Action 3 is a standout option, offering a significant upgrade from its predecessor. It presents GoPro with some healthy competition. Built to endure rugged conditions, it boasts durability and is waterproof up to 52.5 feet, though deep-sea divers will want additional housing. Perfect for shallow dives, surfers, and snorkelers alike, the DJI Osmo Action 3 comes packed with features tailored for water activities. Its easy mount system, combining magnets and clamps, along with intuitive controls and a user-friendly menu, make operation a breeze. Plus, its impressive image stabilization and horizon leveling capabilities rival those of the GoPro Hero 11. In terms of video quality, the DJI Osmo Action 3 holds its ground, recording in 4K at 120 frames per second. Though it falls short of GoPro's 5K capabilities, nonetheless, the footage remains of superior quality. However, battery life takes a hit at maximum resolution, though lower resolutions can yield over 2.5 hours of continuous shooting, giving GoPro something to consider. Key features: front and back touchscreens, horizon steady leveler, waterproof to 52.5 feet, Cine-like mode boosts contrast. Number 2. OM System Olympus TG6 Red Underwater Camera. Our top pick for underwater photography is the Olympus TUF TG6, sporting a 12MP sensor. It delivers stunning video capabilities, including 4K footage at 30 frames per second and Full HD at 120 frames per second, for capturing lightning-fast movements. It even offers an impressive 480 frames per second in standard definition, perfect for seizing the swiftest of marine life. But what truly sets this camera apart is its array of features designed to simplify underwater photography. With a built-in flash, intuitive controls, and a generous screen size, navigating through settings becomes effortless. Moreover, preset white balance settings tailored for underwater environments and an underwater HDR mode ensure optimal image quality beneath the waves. Beyond underwater escapades, the TUF TG6 thrives in rugged conditions, withstanding freezing temperatures and rough handling with ease. Additionally, it boasts handy tools such as Wi-Fi connectivity for seamless photo transfer and GPS functionality for accurate geotagging. This GPS feature even provides precise temperature data and includes a built-in compass, enhancing your outdoor adventures even further. Number 3. GoPro Hero 11 Waterproof Action Camera. The GoPro Hero 11 represents the pinnacle of the renowned GoPro Hero series. Now equipped with the impressive Enduro battery as a standard inclusion, users benefit from extended battery life and enhanced overall performance. This upgrade is particularly advantageous for aquatic adventures, offering approximately 1.5 hours of uninterrupted 5K video shooting. Video quality is exceptional, especially when capturing in stunning 5K at 60 frames per second. Additionally, the option for slow-motion 4K footage at 120 frames per second delivers captivating detail and color rendition, boasting features like the 360-degree horizon lock and hypersmooth 5.0 video stabilization. The Hero 11 elevates your footage to professional cinematographic levels. With its 27MP camera, the Hero 11 also excels in capturing still images, allowing users to extract moments of brilliance from their videos. Primarily designed for action-packed endeavors, it's a perfect companion for a variety of exhilarating water-based activities, including whitewater rafting, jet skiing, and surfing. While snorkelers will find the results impressive, scuba divers may require additional housing, as the camera's waterproofing is limited to depths of 33 feet. Key features: 5K at 60 frames per second video, live HD streaming, hypersmooth video stabilization, 360-degree horizon lock. Number 4. DJI Osmo Action 4 Standard Waterproof Camera. Don't underestimate the DJI Osmo Action 4 just because it's affordable, compact, and not as widely known as other options. This little gem is a powerhouse when it comes to underwater video shooting, setting it apart from the competition. It boasts several unique features tailored specifically for underwater cinematography. First off, its color temperature sensor automatically adjusts the white balance to ensure realistic colors in varying depths and lighting conditions. However, you still have the flexibility to manually tweak the settings if desired. Additionally, the vivid underwater setting enhances video detail by leveraging data from the color temperature sensor, resulting in clearer and more defined underwater footage. What's more, the DJI Osmo Action 4 offers incredible value for money. Not only is the camera itself affordable, but the underwater housing is also remarkably inexpensive, priced at well below $100. In comparison, most other underwater camera housings cost several $100. This affordability, coupled with its impressive underwater capabilities, makes the DJI Osmo Action 4 a standout choice for underwater videography. Number 5. Insta360 ONE Twin Edition Waterproof Camera. In my opinion, a 360 camera is the way to go. With its ability to capture everything in all directions simultaneously, you can curate the best moments later on shore. Gone are the days when 360 cameras were solely for creating spherical videos. They've evolved into incredibly versatile action cameras. Industry leaders like Insta360 and GoPro have shifted their focus towards using 360 footage to produce traditional 1080p videos. Since the camera captures everything around you at all times, there's no need to worry about aiming it. During editing, you can seamlessly transition from, say, footage of a turtle to capturing your own reaction, or keep a fish centered in the frame while swimming around it, all without adjusting the camera. While the GoPro Max is a solid 360 action cam, the Insta360 ONE offers far greater adaptability to various situations. Its modular design allows you to swap out the dual-lens 360 module for a single-lens high-frame-rate 4K module, or even a high-quality 1-inch sensor module for enhanced low-light performance. This flexibility makes it a standout choice for diverse shooting scenarios.